Hello everyone, this is Kavita here. In my last session, I showed how you multiply any two-digit number with 11. Today I will teach you how you multiply three-digit or four-digit numbers with 11. Let us take an example of three-digit number multiplied by 11. 123 times 11. First, you just write down 123. Next, you put zeros in front and the back of the number 123. So how many zeros you are going to put is very important. So here in 11 there are two digits, 1 and 1, two digits. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So you put 1 0 in front and 1 0 at the back. Now for example, instead of 11, you have 1, 1, 1, 111. So 111 has three digits. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So you put 2 zeros in front and 2 zeros at the back. Again, for example, instead of 11, you have 4 ones, 1111. So when you have 4 ones, what you do is 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 zeros in front and 3 zeros at the back. But in this problem we have two digits in 11. So 2 minus 1, 1. So we put 1 0 in front and 1 0 at the back. So that's how you put the zeros. After putting zeros, you add the numbers in pairs from right hand side. Why do we add numbers in the pair? Because in 11 there are two digits. So add two numbers at a time from right hand side. So how you do? You do 0 plus 3 is 3. Drop 3 in the answer box. Now leave 0, leave the rightmost digit and add the next two pairs. So next two pairs are 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Drop 5 in the answer box. Now leave 3, add the next two pair, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Drop 3 in the answer box. Then leave 2. What is the last two pair left? 1 plus 0 is 1. So that's how you add the numbers in pairs from right hand side. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So you get your answers 1353. Let's take another example where carryover is involved. 269 times 11. So first what you do, you just write down 269. And what is the next step? Next step you put the zeros. Alright. So in 11 there are two digits, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1. So put 1 0 in front and back of the number 269. So after putting zeros, you add the numbers in pairs from right hand side. Okay. So why we are adding numbers in pairs? Because in 11 there are two digits. So when you add the number 0 and 9, you write 9 in the answer box, you leave the 0. Next you add 9 and 6, right? So here the carryover is involved. So when you add 9 and 6, you get 15. So when you get 15, we write 5 in the answer box and 1 is the carry forward. Next, you leave 9, you add 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. In 8, you add the 1, carry forward. 8 plus 1, 9. You write 9 in the answer box. Next, you add 2 and 0. You leave 6, you add 2 and 0. You get 2. So your answer is 2959. Let's take another example, 685 times 11. So what is the first step? You just write down 685 and then you put the zeros. So you put 1 0 in front, 1 0 at the back, because in 11 there are 2 digits. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So you put 1 in front and 1 0 at the back. Next, after putting zeros, you add two numbers at a time from right side. Alright, so 0 plus 5. So you write 5 and then you leave the 0, and then next you add 5 and 8. So when you add 5 and 8, what you get? You get 13, right? So in 13, we write 3 in the answer box. 1 is carry forward. Alright, so you leave 5 and then you add 8 and 6. 8 and 6 is 14, and 14 you add 1 carry over, you get 15. So again in 15, you write down 5 and 1 is carry forward. So leave 8. Next you add 6 and 0 is 6. 6 plus 1 carry forward is 7. So your answer is 7535. Let's take another example of multiplication of 4 digit by 11. Alright, so what you do, you just write down the 4 digit number and then you put 0 in front and back. So how many zeros we are going to put? We are going to put only 1 0, because in 11 there are 2 digits. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 0 in front and 1 0 at the back. After putting zeros, what we do? We add two numbers at a time from right hand side. So let's start from right hand side. What you do is you add 0 plus 8. Alright, so 0 plus 8, you write down 8 here. Alright, so leave 0, right, and then next two numbers are 8 and 5. So 8 and 5 is 13. So again in 13, what we do? We write down 3. We write the unit digit and the rest of the digits are carry forward. So leave 8. Next you add 5 and 9. 5 plus 9 is 14 and 1 carry forward is 15. So in 15 you write down 5 and 1 is carry forward. So leave, now you leave 5, then add 9 and 6. 9 plus 6 is 15, and in 15 you add 1, you get 16. So in 16 we write 6 and 1 is carry forward. So leave 9 and last is you add 6 plus 0 is 6 plus 1 carry forward 7. So this is your final answer. So this was one example of 4 digit numbers with 11. I have given 10 problems for you to practice. Multiplication with all, like 4 digit with 11, 3 digit with 11. So just practice those problems and check your answers here. Thank you.